What we're doing today is we're making some black pepper red vinegar Japanese cucumber.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living.
I'm going to take this cucumber and I'm going to start off small, and I'm cutting in about 3/8 inches of pieces of cucumber. So you can see they're going to look like this. And I'm going to put them in the plate like this, so when my guests come tonight, I'll have this all set up and they can try out our new cucumber from our garden in this unusual sauce that Al came up with. So Al, this meal is going to be named after you. Black pepper cucumber tray. Alright, come back in a little bit and I should be finished and I'll show you the end. So we're having a vegan party tonight, and what I'm going to be showing to my guests is this new recipe which I got from Al the Songwriter. The link for his channel will be on the comment section. And these are Japanese cucumbers. They look like this. And I sliced them up about 3/8 of an inch each. The sauce is red wine vinegar. I used Regina Red wine vinegar with 1/8 teaspoon of pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And when you put it inside like this, I'm mixing it. That's Linda's hand, by the way. It has a very, very nice taste. Now this Japanese cucumber I thought had no seeds in it, but you can tell the seeds are in it. See? But it has a nice taste of its own, and I think this is a worthy plant to plant in the garden. Well, thank you very much, and wish me luck on my party. Bye-bye.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.